Want more time to pay your Tabby installment? Here's how to request a due date extension. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. In this quick guide, I'll show you how to ask Tabby for extra time to pay so you can avoid late fees and keep your account in good standing. Step 1. Open the Tabby app on your phone and go to the My Payments section. Step 2. Find the installment you want to delay and tap View Details. Step 3. Look for an option like Need More Time or Request Extension. If it's available, tap on it. Step 4. Follow the instructions. Tabby may ask for a reason or offer a new due date based on your payment history. Step 5. If no extension option shows, go back and tap the help icon to chat with customer support. Politely explain your situation and ask if they can extend your due date. Step 6. Wait for confirmation by email or notification. If approved, your payment schedule will update automatically in the app. Tip: the earlier you request, the higher the chance of approval. Don't wait until the due date. If this helped you out, drop a comment below and share your experience. Like and subscribe to Guide with Samuel for more.